Welcome to Help EDUCARE channel.
Dear students of Standard 4 from Maharashtra Board. Today, we are going to solve some multiple choice questions from subject Computer, topic Evolution of Computers. Question number 1. A rectangular block that holds beads on vertical rods. Find the correct option. First option, abacus. Second option, pascaline. Third option, Macintosh. Fourth option, ANIAC. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is abacus. Question number 2. Which of the following machine used gears and wheels? First option, abacus. Second option, pascaline. Third option, Macintosh. Fourth option, ANIAC. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is pascaline. Question number 3. Which of the following machine provided the basic framework of the computer? First option, mechanical engine. Second option, structural engine. Third option, analytical engine. Fourth option, tabulating engine. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is analytical engine. Question number 4. The evolution of computer can be traced back to years ago in a device called abacus. First option, 2000. Second option, 3000. Third option, 4000. Fourth option, 5000. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is 5000. Question number 5. Is one of the earliest known machines that was used for computations. First option, an abacus. Second option, a calculator. Third option, a totalizer. Fourth option, a tabulator. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is an abacus. Question number 6. Was the first mechanical calculating machine that was invented in 1642. First option, abacus. Second option, pascaline. Third option, Macintosh. Fourth option, ANIAC. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is pascaline. Question number 7. Pascaline could calculate numbers till dash. First option 99,999. Second option 9,99,999. Third option 99,99,999. Fourth option 9,99,99,999. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is 9,99,99,999. Question number 8. When was the first modern computer invented and by whom? First option in 1822 by Charles Babbage. Second option in 1936 by Conrad Zuse. Third option in 1642 by Blaise Pascal. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is in 1936 by Conrad Zuse. Question number 9. Who was Charles Babbage? First option, an English philosopher. Second option, an English doctor. Third option, an English mathematician. Fourth option, an English soldier. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is an English mathematician. Question number 10. The first generation computers weighed over dash. First option 27 kg. Second option 270 kg. Third option 2700 kg. Fourth option 27,000 kg. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is 27,000 kg. Question number 11. Dash was the first electronic computer which required 1,800 square feet area and weighed more than 27 tons. First option ANIAC. Second option Abacus. Third option Pascaline. Fourth option Macintosh. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is ANIAC. Question number 12. Dash generation computers were large in size and were very costly. First option fourth. Second option third. Third option second. Fourth option first. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is first. Question number 13. The fourth generation of computers used microprocessors, which is also known as a dash. First option CPU first. Second option CPU second. Third option CPU third. Fourth option, CPU fourth. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is CPU first. Question number 14. Pascaline could perform the functions of addition and subtraction. Is it true or false? First option, it is true. Second option, it is false. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is, it is true. Question number 15. Charles Babbage designed a calculating device called abacus. Is it true or false? First option, it is true. Second option, it is false. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is, it is false. Charles Babbage invented the first digital computer, not the abacus. Question number 16. Analytical Engine contained 4 characteristics of modern computers. Is it true or false? First option, it is true. Second option, it is false. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is, it is true. Question number 17. The computers of 4th generation were not reliable. Is it true or false? First option, it is true. Second option, it is false. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is, it is false, since 4th generation computers are reliable. Question number 18. IBM's Watson is an example of AI. Is it true or false? First option, it is true. Second option, it is false. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is, it is true. Question number 19. Which device is used to control and manage the information on the computer? First option, ROM. Second option, power supply. Third option, a microprocessor. Fourth option, RAM. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is, a microprocessor. Question number 20. Which of the following is an example of 5th generation computer? First option, Apple Siri. Second option, Apple Macintosh. Third option, IBM PC. Fourth option, ANIAC. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is Apple Siri. Question number 21. Who is known as father of computer? First option, Conrad Zuse. Second option, Blaise Pascal. Third option, Charles Babbage. Fourth option, Ada Lovelace. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is Charles Babbage. Question number 22. Different stages of development of the computers have been categorized into dash generations of computers. First option 5, second option 6, third option 7, fourth option 8. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is 5. Question number 23. Artificial intelligence AI is dash. First option, an ancient technology. Second option, a medieval technology. Third option, a modern technology. Fourth option, a fictional technology. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Correct answer is a modern technology. Question number 24. Find the computer set in the following images. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. Second option is correct. First machine is an image of a calculator. Third is an image of a abacus, while fourth is a manual typewriter. Question number 25. Recognize the pictures of machines given below. Answer will be displayed in 10 seconds. First image is known as Analytical Engine, and second is an image of abacus, while third image is of Napier's bones, and fourth is an image of Pascaline.
Thank you for watching Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.